What's up YouTube, we're back with another cinematic tutorial, and today we have a nice low fade to go over, so let's get right into it. First up, you want to section along the parietal ridge and clip away the top from the bottom. We do this so that there's no hair interfering with the cut as we fade. With your preferred trimmer, create the lowest baseline you're able to make on your canvas. I did drop the fade because I knew it would look better if I contoured it to his head. Now remove everything underneath. For a cleaner look, shave off all the stubble left behind. Remember, it's okay to leave a little bit of the stubble right before getting to the baseline because we will come back to it. Next up, with your clipper, open up the lever fully and create a 1/2 inch guideline. With your 1.5 open, this time create a 4 inch guideline. Now with the number 2, hit all the darkness you see, but try flicking out a tad bit so you don't create a new guideline. And finally, to finish up with the dark area of our fade, just use the number 3 to smooth out any line. With the half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. Open up the lever now and create another guideline the same size. Next, with the number 1 open, just soften any line you're able to see above that. In this case, I did come back with the 1.5 just to touch up some dark areas, mainly around the C-cup. Finally, with your lever closed, no guard, hit that last visible line you're able to see. Open it a slight bit every time you go up on the fade. Guys, don't forget that your corners are extremely important when it comes to lower numbers. Be patient and don't rush through the cut. On here, you will see me use the half guard to touch up some small details and the trimmer to blend in all the stubble from the shaver. Guys, the other side is the exact same thing. Because of demonstration purposes, I just focus on one side first. If you guys have any questions, please be sure to drop them down below and help each other out. Also, if you happen to be wondering where to get these translucent MB guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. Guys, don't get it twisted, there's no purpose for switching clippers, I just ran out of battery on my Babyless FXs. Since it is a low fade, there's a lot of darkness in the back. Just smooth it out by using blending shears and you're good to go. As for the lineup, clip away everything you won't be cutting. I recommend adding a light coat of hairspray to hold down all the hair in place. Now start in the middle and work your way off to the sides. Remember that when you're touching up the C-cup, use only one side of your blade, then switch off when you're using the opposite side. Razor the entire lineup to finish. As for the top, I just made sure everything was even. I used the diffuser to curl everything back in place and add a small dab of matte cream for a natural look. And guys, here you have the final look. If you did happen to learn anything from me today or enjoyed this video, please make sure to be subscribed. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.